Welcome to Grow Organic Plants. Thank you for coming to my channel. Right now, I'm gonna show you some beautiful fall colors. The trees, the grasses, the flowers, and enjoy. All right, enjoy them. And you see them? The green, the brown, the red, the white. Beautiful flowers. Look at this place. Look at those flowers there. That person is doing a great job. Look at the colors. Look at beautiful colors. So beautiful. I love these beautiful colors. The green, the red, the yellow, the white, the purple, the red. Beautiful colors. These are real organic trees and plants. Look at them. Look at this one. Oh my God. Look at these ones. Oh my goodness. Look at these ones. Look at those ones. Oh my God. Look at this. And this. All right, so look at this one. Red. Look at the red ones. Red. Look at those. So beautiful. Look at that one. Wow. Beautiful trees. Beautiful colors. Thank you for coming to my channel. Thank you for watching this video. I'm showing you beautiful trees, beautiful fall colors, the red, the green, the brown, the orange, some white, some purple, and so on. And the beautiful sky, white and blue sky. I'm just showing you this beautiful nature. If you have not subscribed to Grow Organic Plant, please subscribe, make a comment, share. More colors here, more colors. Look at these colors. Look at them. Look at these colors. Beautiful. Look at these ones. Whoa. Beautiful colors. Look at these ones. at these beautiful colors. More colors. Look at these ones. Look at these. Oh my goodness. Do you even like trees? Let me know if you like trees, if you like plants. Are you a tree lover? Plant lover? Do you love trees? Do you love plants? Just let me know. Let me know if you love plants, if you love trees. Look at the beautiful sky. This is nature. The beauty of nature. Bringing you the beauty of nature. Enjoy. And let me know what you think. Make your comments, like, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to Grow Organic Plants, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Look at beautiful, beautiful. Look at the beautiful sky. This is nature. The beauty of nature. Bringing you the beauty of nature. Enjoy. And let me know what you think. Make your comments, like, and share this video. And if you haven't subscribed to Grow Organic Plants, please subscribe. Thank you for watching my video. Look at beautiful, beautiful. All right, beautiful plants, beautiful plants, beautiful green, beautiful fall colors. Look at that, look at that, look at the blue sky. Oh my God, that sky is blue. Beautiful trees. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. So beautiful, beautiful trees. Beautiful sky. Look at the cloud. Oh, amazing. This is nature, guys. Nature. Look at the trees and the plants. So beautiful. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Look at the greenery. Ooh. Look at that. So beautiful. Can you see that? Look at the sky. This is nature. Nature, so beautiful. Look at the sky. Oh my God, I love it. Look at. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness, look at that. Ooh, jeez. Look at that, folks. Look at the sky. Look at the cloud. Look at the sky and the trees. The combination of the sky and the trees. Oh, goodness. Look at the cloud. Combination of the trees and the cloud and the sky. Beautiful. Beautiful. These ones have no leaves anymore. No more leaves on these ones.